Today we will see how we will clean the filter of the Oxygen Concentrator. Here you can see there are two filters. On the left hand side of the concentrator you will find, on the outside you'll find a cabinet. In that cabinet there will be a screw that you have to unscrew. You can see in the Java preset video. After unscrewing, there will be a plastic lock on top. You press it and remove it out. Here you'll see this is a plastic lock. Remove the lock. After removing it, press the pipe from the top. The bottom one stands, and this cover is going out from the side. On this cover you will see this black color that you are seeing is its filter. This filter has a frame attached to it, tightened with the help of 4 screws. After unscrewing these 4, you will be able to take out so that we can discuss in this matter. You can soak this filter in water, and when you'll clean it with water after that, even after doing heavy washing, this filter should be completely soaked. When it will be completely soaked, after washing you will fit it back into this frame. As you can see, here you need to apply the screw jack. Tighten the screw. And after tightening the screw, it will be fitted back in its place. You will fit this here, fit it from the bottom first, then press it on top. As you press, it will fit in the frame. You have to first apply the plastic lock. This will be the lock of the bicycle. About fitting these people, there will be a screw here. You have to tighten that screw.
Fit it in order to fit it. Thank you.
Now we'll look at the intake filter inside the. You will remove the side cover back. Here you can see a filter. Provided this filter you have, by making a little crust, you will pull it upwards and you will keep feeding this a little with your hands, and also you will bloom this upwards, so this filter will go out. We will take out this filter that remains. You can't wash this filter. You don't have to clean it. You have to replace it. It depends on how many dust particles are there where we are using it. So whenever you see this filter, it will be colored, it will become black, from which it will be known why this filter is there. After this, more dust has come in and you will not be able to filter, but you can see its condition. Apart from this, you will replace its accounting. You will fit it back in the way you can see. You have to repeat the same process now. You have to press it downwards. When you press it like a snap, it will fit. We will reattach the side cover just as we removed it earlier. I get parts from the Cuba grid side.
So
There was a test which had 2 filters, and you will be able to remove and install these filters correctly. As shown in this video, the presentation is very much